was. We know what happened. He got that text from that one girl that kept friend zoning him. That one coworker said, "Nah, we're gonna see each other every day." That one girl he went to high school with said, "Dude, no, we know each other's parents. What if we don't get married?" That what if is, we cold, we lonely. He got that text message. Let's go. You see the way, bro, he didn't even have a helmet on. Oh my God. I hope he has a different helmet for that other activity.